Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So imagine having an AI assistant that reads your emails, summarizes long threads, drafts replies instantly, and even extracts action items, all without leaving your Gmail inbox. That's exactly what you can build by connecting Gemini to Gmail using Google Apps Script. But the best part is yet to come. This isn't a third-party plugin or any paid servers. It's a Gmail add-on you create yourself using Google's own tools. Once installed, you will have a Gemini sidebar right inside Gmail that can summarize the email you are reading, draft a professional replay, and extract tasks, deadlines, and even follow-ups. So in this guide, I will show you exactly how to set it up, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, gather what you need. Before you start, you will need the Gemini API key from Google AI Studio. So we're gonna go all the way to aistudio.google.com. Basically, agree to some contracts or options here. Then go all the way to this menu, get your API key, then create your new API and copy it. Anyway, all accounts with access to Gmail and Google Apps Script, the code from the build and email assistance from Gmail GitHub. That's what we need. So after getting the API key, you can create a new app script project by going to script.google.com in your browser, new project, delete any placeholder code in the code.js file, then name your project Gmail Gemini Assistant. And that's it. Copy the GitHub code into your project. So that's the whole idea basically. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.